Hey guys, hope you're having an awesome day today. In this how to draw video, we're going to be drawing a carrot.
A super cute carrot.
A super cute carrot, that's right. So we hope you follow along with us and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go drawing. Alright, so the first thing we're going to draw with our carrot is its body. Now the carrot is quite a long shape and it's normally quite rounded and wider at the top. So let's start drawing a nice curve from the top and we'll just carry that down to the bottom there like that. And if you make it a little bit wobbly, that's cool because carrots aren't perfect shapes, they always come in different shapes and sizes. Right, so let's see the carrot's body there. And next thing we're going to draw is, it's normally got some leaves on the top. They're normally quite long. Yeah, so it looks like it's got spiky hair like a crown. So we'll draw a very long leaf like this. So it's like a very elongated oval shape. So we'll do one here.
That looks like a feather.
Oh, it kind of does look like a feather, yeah. Now normally in the supermarket they chop those off so you don't see those, but if you grow them in your garden, you'll see they grow very long green leaves. Yeah, and I think we'll do two small ones in between the two big ones, so they're like in the background there, just a little bit smaller. Good job. Alright, so that's your basic carrot. So basically you can, if you want to colour it in now, but I think what I'd like to do
is put a funny face.
Yeah, I think we'll make it really cute and put a funny face on it. So we're going to do that along the top. So let's draw some big eyes along the top here. 1, 2, like that. And I'm going to draw, I think, 2 other smaller circles inside that.
Then we can go around the big circle.
Yeah, so it looks like it's light reflecting off its eyes, and that just makes it
cute.
Look cute. That's right.
Super cute.
Yeah.
Just like my voice.
Okay, and then let's draw a mouth, and there's all different ways you can draw a mouth, and I'm just going to do a big open smiley face. So big, nice round shape like that, because he's super excited about something. I don't know what. Yeah, so you can do the mouth anyway, and like yours, it's pretty cool. You can put some teeth in there and make it extra long as well. Now the other thing I'm going to add in is just some details, because normally with a carrot, the body's quite bumpy and it all got different shapes. So normally what we're going to do is we're just going to add a few short lines. You can space them out as well. It just gives it a bit more detail on the carrot.
Because some carrots are a bit wrinkly.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, very good. Alrighty, so that's our cute carrot. The next step is to colour in. And we're back, that's right, we finished colouring in and I think our carrots look wonderful. Of course, carrots are nice and bright and orange and got our green leaves. And we've added lots of extra little details that you can add in as well, some highlights in there just to make it stand out. We gave it some little rosy cheeks and some extra lines and details on that, so that's really cool. And did you know, interesting fact, that carrots were originally purple? That's right, it wasn't until some Dutch farmers started breeding orange carrots to celebrate in honour of the Dutch royal family, because their colour is orange, that carrots were orange, but originally they were purple. So there you go, interesting fact. Did you have fun drawing?
Yes!
That's great. You happy with your drawing as well?
Yes!
That is good. Great, well thanks for watching. Hope you followed along and had lots of fun drawing our super cute carrot. That's right. Check out our channel. We've got lots of other food and vegetable drawings, videos for you to enjoy. So hope to see you again very soon. Bye!
Bye.